To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. We have some big news to cover this week, so I'm going to dive right into it. Starting with parks news, coming this fall to Walt Disney World and Disneyland Resorts will be the Disney Genie and the Disney Genie Plus service. Disney Genie and Disney Genie Plus will be available for use inside the My Disney Experience app and the Disneyland app. Disney Genie service is said to maximize your park time so you can have more fun. It includes a personalized itinerary feature that will map out an entire day based off your preferred attractions and dining to general interest like characters, rides, and more. The big difference here is to realize there's the Disney Genie service, which is free, and the Disney Genie Plus service, which is the paid option, which I'll get to more here soon. So with the Disney Genie service, the free version, it allows you to enter all of your favorite things and interests between characters, rides, and dining, then gives you a layout of how it thinks. It will help you make the most out of your day by also including projected wait times, walk-up lists, and open dining reservations, and lightning lane availability, which I will also get to momentarily. But that is the free version and what all guests will have access to. Now the Disney Genie Plus service, the paid option, which I want to point out is not required to have for guests at Walt Disney World. Disney Genie Plus is $15 per person per day and $20 per person per day at Disneyland Resorts. Now with Disney Genie Plus, of course you already get everything that's in the free version, but the main thing that it will include is access to Lightning Lane. The Lightning Lane being Disney's replacement of FastPass, and for clarity, the Lightning Lane does not essentially allow you to skip the line, but puts you in a virtual queue and gives you the next available time to ride. Now with Lightning Lane, only select attractions with the Genie Plus service will be available, and you can only hold one at a time compared to FastPass where you could have multiple. Disney Genie Plus also includes unlimited photo pass downloads and audio experiences within the parks. Now going back to Lightning Lane, there will also be individual attractions you can purchase this for, this being for high demand popular ones, but you can only purchase 2 individual ones a day, and there's limited availability. Now Disney has not released yet a list of attractions or what those prices will be pending the attraction, but do say that Star Wars Rise of the Resistance will be included. Lightning Lane reservations will also be available to be made the day of your park visit, starting at 7 a.m. and Disney Genie Plus at midnight the day of your visit. So from what I've seen, everyone has very much so expressed their displeasure with this, but we'll see if that continues when it launches. I'm very interested though to see what these prices are for the individual Lightning Lane passes. I'm guessing it'll range between $10 to $20 pending the attraction and what time of year it is, and possibly even more for Rise. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll let you know all of the new information and details that come out on the Disney Genie. Finally, after announcing well over a year ago that Splash Mountain would be reimagined into a Princess and the Frog themed ride, Disney has shared more information and details for the upcoming attraction. In a sit-down discussion with Imagineers, they talk some of the new enhancements that will be coming to the ride. The story of the attraction will take place after the final kiss, as Naveen and Louis join Tiana on her latest adventure, hosting a Mardi Gras celebration. Tiana is leading the way, and fans will be able to encounter old friends and make new ones along the way as well. Imagineer Charita Carter says, "We are looking to advance the storytelling and really just kind of change the game, as well as the way we're approaching our scenic illusions and our visual effects, so we can create an immersive environment that's seamless for our guests." Now the newest piece of concept art revealed does give the hope and possibility for that, but according to Mickey Views and his sources, it's said to be a very low budget for reimagining the attraction. This is just the first tidbit of details Disney has shared on the Splash Mountain reimagining since it was announced. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll let you know when more information on the attraction is announced. Following the release of the pre-celebration collection, Disney has shared a preview of the new Walt Disney World merchandise line that will be released on October 1st. The Celebration Collection, which is set for release opening day of the 50th, will consist of new ears, apparel, and home decor. In the post Disney shares of the Celebration Collection, they show a wide variety of clothing options, with also including 50th anniversary ears and 50th design character plush. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned though, as I'll share more on the new collection and on October 1st when it's released. As announced, a new fireworks show, Disney Enchantment, will debut at Magic Kingdom on October 1st. Now Disney has shared even more information and details regarding the new nighttime spectacular. The all-new spectacular inspires everyone to believe in magic with captivating Disney music, enhanced lighting, immersive projection effects that extend down Main Street, USA, and an original song entitled You Are the Magic. In Disney Enchantment, you'll join dreamers like Tiana, Miguel, Rapunzel, and brothers Anne and Barley, and set out on a journey with adventurers such as Moana, Raya, and Judy Hopps. Joe Gardner takes us into the zone filled with beloved characters from classic stories like Beauty and the Beast and Alice in Wonderland to tales including Luca and Wreck-It Ralph. Everything will build up to the moment where Tinker Bell takes flight. Through it all, we'll discover we only have to look within to find the power to believe and make dreams come true, because the magic was inside us all along. So very similar styled layout as Happily Ever After. Let me know what you think of the new details announced for Disney Enchantment in the comments down below. As another week has gone by, Disney has revealed even more Fab 50 character statues that will be coming to the parks for the 50th anniversary. The newest statues include Minnie Mouse, who will be at Magic Kingdom, Pinocchio, who will also be at Magic Kingdom, Nemo and Dory, who will be at Animal Kingdom, Simba, who will also be at Animal Kingdom, and Olaf and Bruni, who will be at Epcot. We're now up to 27 of the Fab 50 statues coming to the celebration. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll let you know all of the Fab 50 statues that will be coming as they're announced. Now into company news. Over this past week, Marvel Studios has released 2 new trailers for upcoming films, one being for Eternals and the other being for the highly anticipated Spider-Man No Way Home. The new trailer for Eternals gives an upfront look at MCU's newest team, featuring a group of heroes from beyond the stars who had protected the Earth since the dawn of man. For Spider-Man No Way Home, it reveals Spider-Man is unmasked and is no longer able to separate his normal life from being a hero, and goes to Doctor Strange for help. Along the way, the trailer also teases at some former villains and reveals a familiar face. Eternals is currently scheduled for release on November 5th and Spider-Man No Way Home December 17th. And if you want to check out both of these trailers, I will leave links to them in the description down below. Now on outside the parks news, coming to Disney's Contemporary Resort that will be replacing the Wave will be Steakhouse 71. Last month, while the new Incredibles rooms reimaging continues at the Contemporary, it was said that the Wave was rumored to not return. In an announcement, Disney says we're cooking up new experiences at Disney's Contemporary Resorts for the world's most magical celebration. Located just off the lobby, Steakhouse 71 will be a new casual themed dining concept that gets its name from the resort's opening year and will be open in time for the celebration. Upstairs at California Grill, a new dining experience will also be available later this year, featuring a limited time menu with items inspired by the restaurant's history and more details to come. Alright everyone, well that's all I have for you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all I have for you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you in the DRU.